everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be dealing with physical and chemical changes. What is a physical change? The change in which no new substances are formed is called a physical change, and these changes are reversible. A substance is said to undergo a physical change only when the physical properties such as shape, size, color, state, or the appearance of the substance change. Examples of physical change. First one, melting of ice. When ice melts into water, it is a physical change. This is because no new substances are formed. Ice and water have same chemical composition and the reaction is reversible, that is, freezing water will turn back into ice. Breaking a pencil. Breaking a pencil is a physical change. This is because there is no change in chemical composition of pencil, but its physical properties like size and shape have changed. During a physical change, the physical properties change, but the matter remains the same. Dissolution of sugar in water. Dissolving sugar in water is a physical change. This is because no new substance are formed. Also, the process is reversible, that is, water and sugar can be separated by vaporization, followed by condensation and crystallization. Breaking of a glass tumbler. Breaking of a glass tumbler is a physical change as no new substance are formed. When a glass tumbler breaks, different pieces of broken glass are still the same substance, that is glass. We will see some more examples of physical change. First one, mixing of fruit salad with raw fruits. Making a fruit salad with raw fruits is a physical change because in this process, chemical composition of fruits are not changed. It is simply changing the shape of the substance. Next one, melting of butter in pan. It is a change of state of matter from solid to liquid. This change is temporary and can be reversed. So, melting of butter in pan is a physical change. Next one is cutting of trees. Cutting of trees is a physical change because only the shape and size of the trees are changed and no new substances or products are formed during this process. Next one is dissolution of salt in water. Dissolving a solid in liquid such as table salt in water is a physical change because only the state of the matter has changed. Now we learn about chemical change. The change in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. These changes are irreversible. Chemical changes occurs through the process of chemical reactions and the resulting substances have different properties because their atoms and molecules are arranged differently. Examples of chemical change. First one, rusting of iron. Rusting is a chemical reaction in which iron reacts with oxygen and water or water vapor to form a new substance called rust, that is ferric oxide. Baking a cake. The batter for cake is a liquid mixture of flour, sugar, oil, water and other ingredients. When you heat it in the oven, the batter turns into a yummy solid. You can't ever change it back into flour, sugar, water and other ingredients. That is, it's an irreversible reaction. The batter has become something new now, what we call it as cake. That is, a new substance is formed. So, baking a cake is also a chemical change. Digestion of food is a chemical change. That is, large macromolecules like carbohydrates are broken down into similar molecules like glucose by the enzymes present in the stomach and intestines. So, here a new product is formed, that is glucose. So, we can say that digestion of food is also a chemical change. Respiration is a chemical change. That is, the process in which glucose present in our body is oxidized to carbon dioxide and water along with the release of energy. So carbon dioxide and water, they are new products formed. So we can say respiration is a chemical change. Burning of wood is a chemical change. That is, burning of wood leads to the formation of new substances like ash, that is carbon dioxide gas, water vapor, heat and light. Here the change is irreversible and it is a chemical change. Milk changing into curd. Milk changing into curd is a chemical change because a new substance called lactic acid is formed. Also, once the curd is formed, milk cannot be reobtained from it. So it's an irreversible change. The next example is explosion of fireworks. The explosion of fireworks is an example of chemical change. During a chemical change, the substances are changed into different substances. That is, composition of the substance change. So we can say it's a chemical change. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.